Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Edward says Laura is the wife of the grandson of my mother. Who is Laura to Edward? Now let's try to map this out. Laura is wife of the grandson. So we can say Laura is marriage. She is related to grandson by marriage. Right? So Laura is the wife of grandson of my mother. So grandson of my, that is Edward's mother. Father. Okay. So Laura is wife of grandson of my mother. So that means that Laura is daughter-in-law to Edward. Now this can be his mother's other son's daughter-in-law as well, but granddaughter-in-law as well. That will also make Laura daughter-in-law to Edward. So even in any case, Laura is daughter-in-law for Edward. So answer is option B.